Habit trackers are pretty popular for bullet journals, but I actually make mine in a notebook. I just put the dates all across long ways, and then I list down any habits that you want to start doing on a daily basis or want to track how often you're doing it, such as washing your hair every 4 days. Once you have them all written out, you can make it into an actual chart by putting a line right under the dates and by the wording, and then just put lines all the way across so it's nice and neat. And then the actual notebook lines will go down ways in between the dates. Once you have it all lined up, every day you just go in and put a little X, or however you want to keep track. You can do different colors to make it pretty, and however you want to do it. And I have found that this has been the best method for me to start doing habits every single day that I want to put into my daily practice.